Hello everyone, this is Kirtan here, author of the two best-selling books Why Being Independent is Awesome and X Money Secrets. In this video, we will discuss about the 5 important elements of a great story. Because one thing that what you need to understand, all great leaders are good storytellers. So which means that you need to understand that if you do not communicate your story, your journey, your products and services journey, or your systems journey, or whatever you are doing on a day-to-day basis with the people around you, you will not be able to connect. Because you need to understand it's the story is the bridge between two hearts, right? And if there is no story, there is no connection, right? It is only because of certain experience that what we have and connect it with a story, beautiful things starts happening, right? And let's discuss about the 5 important elements of a great story. This is something that which you can actually utilize in a day-to-day conversation, in a one-on-one conversation, or maybe speaking in front of many people as well. But this will be of great help if you give 100% attention here and stay till the end. Right? So before that, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and click on that notification bell icon so that you get the notification whenever we launch super valuable videos. Right, let's go and get started with this particular video. So here specifically, we will actually understand the first and the most important element in any great story, if you see, is the story is with emotions. What does an emotion means? Emotion means energy in motion, which means that if you tell a story like this, blah 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 blah, that's going to be very, very boring, right? Have you seen people sharing the story? But it's going to be very, very boring. But you need to understand when you are sharing a story, like for example, think about it. Every movie, what do you think they are doing? They are sharing a story with you, right? What are the various different elements that they are using in communicating that story with you in the form of movie, right? So they are actually communicating in the form of movie in emotionally. Yes or no? Same thing is true when you are communicating. So it is emotion means energy in motion. You should be with energy when you are communicating whatever you are communicating. So only then it gets powered up. Your words get powered up only with your energy, right? Only with your emotion, right? So your sentences gets powered up, and those things gets much more awesome when the other person or the other people will be able to create a mental movie in their mind with whatever you are sharing. If they don't create a mental movie, then you are not connecting with them. Let me give you an example. Let me tell you a small story. Okay, that is something practical and real here. Okay, so let's visualize. Okay, just keep seeing this video and let's visualize. Okay, I'm taking a lemon right now here and I'm having the lemon in my hand right now. Can you see an yellow lemon here? Just visualize. Okay, just visualize. So now I take a knife and then I cut the knife. No, sorry, not cut the knife. I cut the lemon. Did you laugh? Or did you say, oh, he did a mistake? Yes, it happens. You need to understand in life, mistakes happen, right? So now, let's get started. Back again. Okay, let's go. So now, let's consider. I take a lemon. Okay, I take a knife, right? I cut it in 2 half. Okay, lemon. Now you can see this 2 half of the lemon. So now I take this lemon. I take my tongue out. Take your tongue out. Take your tongue out. Like this. Okay, I'm going to press this. Okay, now sip it like this. Now how do you feel? Do you sense that lemon flavor already in your tongue? Absolutely yes. How did that particular thing happen without doing anything? How did that happen? Right? So that happened because you really need to understand this mental faculties are designed in such a way that it doesn't understand what is real and what is not real if it is perfectly vividly imagined, right? So that is exactly how it goes. So which means that when you share a story emotionally, so then people will be able to create that vivid imagination in their own mind, and every mind is going to create it in different way with the experiences what they are actually having in their life, right? So this is the first important element of a great story, right? And the second one is that the story needs to be logical as well. What does that mean? So usually logical here means that your story needs to be with facts, right? The story also need to be with real authenticity. The story also need to be having a backup of facts, numbers, statistics and stuff like that, not like fully theoretical, but it also needs to make sense to people, right? Because you need to understand this human brain is having this two hemisphere, the left side and the right side, right? The left side of the brain is connected to the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain is connected to the left side of the body, right? And for your easy remembrance, I'm actually sharing this. So if you see the right side, okay, is connected to the left brain, and left brain is logical. Okay, the left brain is logical and the right brain is emotional. And have you heard people saying that if you are a left-handy, so you are more a creative person and stuff like that? Why? Because the creativity, the imagination, the possibility, everything comes from your right brain, right? So if you have a balanced brain, okay, so then it's a full-fledged brain, right? So which is logical and emotional. Similarly, when you are communicating, you need to make sure that you are communicating to both the hemisphere of every individual's brain. So only then the communication is happening in the right way, right? It is emotional as well as logical. Is it making sense for you? So what are the various different elements that what you need to add? Okay, great, fantastic. The third element is the element of inspiration. What does that mean? See, which means that we all get inspired, right? But not with every story, right? For some stories, some people it get inspired if they can relate to it. So in inspiration, it is all about relate and create the possibility, right? So how was your before and after, right? What was that particular transformation? Because we get inspired with the transformation, the challenges, the pains, the problems, various different things that what you had, and how you are able to break through that and make it to a next level, right? So that's exactly what we love about successful people, or that's exactly what we love in movies, right? So the movie gets inspiring for you when that hero comes in the beginning, in the first scene, he get hit by the heroes, boom, boom, like this, he falls down. So he's going through various different challenges, you know his backstory, you know how it is going. But when he is actually going to the climax scene, you see him becoming really powerful. You see him doing whatever he wants to do, that what you also have that particular desire to do, boom, he becomes an inspiration for you. He actually works for a cause. He gives out a message to the whole audience there, right? You love all those particular things because of the inspiration, right? Are you understanding? These are some of the elements which are used in a world-class level in communicating the story. It has been always there for generations, but maybe we have lost that particular art, or many people are not taught how do we communicate. We gotta communicate emotionally, logically, and in an inspiring way, right? And the fourth one, sometimes what actually happens is that the communication goes on and on and on, and no humor, right? It's very important to add the element of humor, because have you ever noticed this? Whenever you actually listen to any speaker, when you are actually in various different places, if they actually make you laugh, if they make you cry, if they make you be with you there, right? So you immediately it gets into the back of your mind that this is very, very important as an experience that what you got, right? Because one thing you need to understand, when you share a story, it has to become an experience in other person's experience. If it doesn't become an experience, then you haven't shared a story. You just told a story, or you just narrated a story, or it just became like plain story, right? So this is very, very important. Think about if I tell you a story or a joke or something, so it has to make sense to you, which is logically and also emotionally, and also could be where you can derive some message, the value from it, which you can implement, right? So because inspiration is about how can my story be useful to other people, right? So that's exactly in movie happens, right? So how can that story be giving a message out to the people out there, right? It has the emotional and logical, but it is also giving out a message to the people, an inspiration to the people, but it also have a lot of joke scenes, isn't it true? Right? If the movie is dead serious, you get bored with it. Or if the movie is fully predictable, you get bored with it, isn't it? So same thing is true with your story. So add in the humor element also in it, right? The fifth and the most important one is action-oriented story, which means that ultimately the listener needs to get benefited. For that, he has to take an action through that particular story so that he can go out and make that particular shift and start getting results for him. So if you can build in all these elements together, right, it will become really powerful story, a meaningful story and a useful story. Right? I hope that you have actually learned the great elements, but there are many people who come into our community and learn really deeper and deeper stuffs in these particular things. So if you are interested in particularly about how is that you can actually improvise your communication and take your life to a completely different level, click on the link in the description. We would be very happy to invite you to the live community meetup where everybody's intention is growth. How is that we can grow in various different levels and various different areas and building our skills and becoming that independent, right? All possibilities. I would be very happy to see you. Click on the link in the description. We would be loving to see you in the live community meetup. Right? So if you love this particular video, share it with those people who need to hear this, and also share your experience in the comment box. I would be very happy to listen to all your comments. And also if you have anything that you need more videos on, so I would be always happy. So just put out what is actually that is coming in your head, that what is that something that what you need help on. I would be very happy to do that, because this channel is actually built for the community, right? So I'm all excited every single day here to actually create more and more and create more and more possibility. Thank you so much. Look forward to see you in the next value video.